how to put Dacron connector to hollow elastic. As you see, I use Dino hollow elastic. Here you see it's normal elastic. Okay. We take a piece of Dacron, about 15 centimeters. We widen it so we can make a loop. Okay. We also make a loop at the end of the hollow elastic. And then we take the normal way as Preston or Maver connectors. Okay. You can also do it the same way with this one. Always the Dacron is a little bit short. Here we pass through the loop of the Dacron, then we put it like this. Okay. That's it. So we cut it here, about 3 millimeters. Then we take a little piece hollow elastic that we will use normal nylon 22-25 hundredths. Okay, we make a loop. This is the loop. We pass this two ends of the Dacron to the loop. Good weather. Yeah, okay. That's it. And then we do it this way. It's a little bit exercising. Or take a bigger elastic, it's also better. Okay. You see here it's around the hollow elastic. So now you have the connector. You can use it like this, but I make a little knot on it. Okay, notice on it. Cut off. Ready to use. What I often do now is glue a little bit hole here, little bit here. It makes the Dacron stiffer. Okay, that's it. So you see, this is how it works. Okay, hollow elastic made by Duntjes.